Hello and welcome to another update on SUI. Yeah, just a quick update. The price has not really moved much in the last few days. We're currently still holding above the April low, at least here on the Coinbase chart. Nothing really got broken. I mean, we were tracking a 1-2-1-2 setup that obviously got destroyed on Friday the 10th, as explained in the videos over the last couple of days. However, you could say a larger 1-2 pattern remains valid, yeah, on this chart. It remains a plausible scenario, and you see that with an invalidation point at around $1.72, which is the April low. So the bullish scenario remains very much possible. Yeah, it remains very much alive. So, however, we need to see ideally the price hold this Friday low from the Friday low from the 10th of October. That's very important because ultimately, this is the swing low that formed on that crash day, and it is the level that needs to be defended to keep, let's say, even a local setup for higher prices alive, at least a local setup. What does it mean, a local setup? Well, it means if Circle Wave 2 really bottomed on the 10th of October, then we could be working on Circle Wave 3 right now. But this is obviously impossible to say until we get some kind of upside momentum. But at least we can keep that potential alive until, or at least as long as we're holding above the $2 level, yeah, which is that 10th of October low, that Friday low, when that crash happened. Now, I think it's important to recognize that if we break below the April low, there isn't really anything clearly bullish left. That 1-2 setup would then be formally invalidated also on the Coinbase chart. But please remember that on Binance, the actual low was at 55 cents, so it's already a bit distorted. If we take a look at the shorter time frame for SUI, you can see that we have from this Friday, the 10th of October low, a move up that's just very, very strong. Yeah, it was an initial strong recovery, but we could not get back above that level here at 350 when the selling volume started to kick in. So, I mean, if we start to see some upside momentum this week, and at the moment there isn't really much visible, but if we get some upside momentum this week, then we need to get a break above 350. This is again where that selling volume kicked in. And this is also a level that needs to be broken to the upside, yeah, to unlock prices in the region around, $4.50 plus. Okay. In the very short term, our micro support area, I did already say we need to hold the $2 level, but there are some micro support levels above, specifically here 222 to 257. This is the zone, guys, and there's not really anything that's super clear in between. I mean, could this be... Hold on, let me just shift that a bit. Could this be a micro 5-wave move up? I mean, maybe. Extremely low confidence. It's not really showing any significant volume. I mean, it might do this. Yeah, it might do this. But this is really super, super lower. Super low quality here. Yeah, it's very weak, and I would not be surprised if we get another low here. But yeah, for now, I mean, there is a possible early 1-2 setup. Just that last move up could be an internal 5th wave if this whole thing is a diagonal pattern. Like, for example, if we had here a small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's possible, yeah. And this is like an A, B, C. So it's something to watch. Again, not really super high confidence, but I'll keep you updated about the development. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to also follow us on X for additional updates, charts, news, and much more. I leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.